Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put animations on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, just open any document. Now from here select the slide that you want to add animation and then click on animations tab. So at first select anything. If I select my images and then click on animation option, from here choose any type of animation. If I select zoom and then select the text and then choose another animation style. If I select spilled. Now if you want to see preview, just click on this icon at the corner, just click here and that's it, and then click here again, and you can see in this text and image animation has been added successfully. Now if you go back and then just click on start option, select with previous and then click on this icon again and then click here, and it's done. Now just by clicking one time you can see the both animation. Also if you click on animation pane, from here you can change the position. Also at first you can find a preview option, just click here, and you can also check your animation preview from here, and that's it. And that is how you can put animation on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.